Hey guys, we're doing Breaking Case 3, the team draw, player draw, at 6 o'clock 47 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants going 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yoink. That has to be 85. Fingers there. Now the player draw. Going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. Random is complete. And the players are James Cannon, John Dre Hunter, Nick Powell, Markel Fultz, Johnny Deegan, Mitchell, Tommy with Tatum, Albie, Anthony Davis, Jason Airey, RJ Barrett, Simon Humphries, Bagley, Mr. Holland, Luka Doncic, Mr. Carter, Jamal Murray, Johnny with Devin Booker, George with PJ Washington, Sean Fong with Michael Porter Jr., Marcus Alot, Cat, Albie, Brandon Ingram, James Cannon, Darren Fox, Stretchy, Colin Sexton, Bowman with Zion Pascal, Philip Tran, Kobe White, Tommy with Jokic, Brendan with Lonzo Ball and Cam Reddish, Mr. Holland, Porzingis, Glenn Jackson, Shy, Philip Tran, Joel Embiid, Brendan, Tyler Hero, Nathaniel with Kawhi Leonard, Adam Carter, Ben Simmons, Albie, Kyle Kuzma, Bowman, Jaren Jackson Jr., Jason Airey, LeBron, Johnny Deegan, Laurie, Marcus Alot, John Morant, Leonardo Russo, Ruai, Bowman, Giannis, and Albie Chin, Trae Young. And that is the team list. And that's it.